Hi there, this is Charles Wiley Stone with Session three's PowerPoint presentation. In this presentation, I will be disclosing my attitude and the implications of my attitude, as well as a um, biblical perspective on attitudes. I observed my attitudes throughout the day on the 3rd of August. I got up in the morning and felt well rested. I prayed and was focused and ready to meet the day. Um, Further into the day, I felt as though I was dragging my feet, somewhat unmotivated to get really going, and that somewhat led into me feeling rushed when I was going through Costco with my kids. And after I had counseled, I read a rather large email, loud email from the co-founder of the company that I counsel for, and it made me feel guilty. And at the end of the day, my kids' disclosure ensued a heavy heart, so my attitude changed once again. So this Monday was a roller coaster. So why did my attitudes change? Large reason why they changed was the beliefs that I hold. Alder and Proctor explained that attitudes shape the way we make sense of our behavior, and they speak on a study that was done on people who heard a man tell another man, "I love you," and homophobic people regarded that as the man was gay, and people who were not homophobic regarded the comment as platonic. So that shows how our beliefs shape our attitude. Another reason why it changed was the roles that we have. Seb Bates explains how our roles heighten the behavior of that specific role. So that's another reason that my attitudes changed. Um, Attitudes serve specific functions. Our feelings, beliefs, and actions are all largely affected by our attitude. So you can see how the attitude that we have really molds our day and the way we interact with people. The Bible tells us to enter his gates with thanksgiving, go into his courts with praise, for the Lord is good. This is a verse that speaks directly to our attitude as believers. If I have a cognitive dissonance, that would look like I'm going prayerfully to God, but not believing that He cares. This could lead to actual physical discomfort. So, as believers, we need to be thankful and um, regard our Lord as praiseworthy. So, that shows how impactful our attitudes can be. Thank you for watching. Bye.